What's up guys, I'm Zilwolf and today we've got a Boswell video. Now I did say that I would do the game cards for Boswell in a separate video to the other Aibo cards, so that is what we're doing today. So we've got a couple of shout outs and they go to Wayne Productions and Unikitty Fan 2004. So these are the cards we're going to be looking at. We've got Game 1, Game 2, and the Game 3 I believe was one you had to download separately. So we probably won't be looking at that. I will show it to him anyway so you can see what he does, but I don't actually have the third game. So we will switch him on and wait for him to boot up. I hope everyone's having a good weekend as well. I've been having quite a fun time. I went to see some wrestling last night. It was really awesome. Hanging out with my friends and wrestlers, some of which are my friends as well. Actually, most of them are my friends, but you know, it was good. It was good to get out and have some fun. So I will actually turn him to face the camera. So let's show him the first card. There is not a bone here. Oh god. I don't have your bone. Here, let's put that in your mouth. No, it's not a bone. He's not happy about it. Nope. Sorry, Boswell. I didn't bring your bone with you. I didn't know you'd want it. Oh, now he's getting annoyed and turning away. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at the card, Boswell. Here we go. Right.
This is function demo. Press my head sensor to go back to autonomous mode. Aibo Mine 3 demonstration. Please show me an Aibo card. I will explain each function. I'll now show you my various expressions. This is happy. This is sad. This is upset. This is surprised. This is when I don't like something. This is scared. I also have many more expressions depending on my emotions. I finished my explanation.
So basically this is a demo mode. So you can see what the 7 series does. So I'm guessing game card 1 is a demo mode. It just says game mode 1. But he's actually doing a demo at the moment. So I'm guessing that he'll just walk around and investigate stuff and show you what the 7 series is capable of. He seems to be interested in those plushies. And my Super Soaker. He's looking for his ball. He thinks he's found it, but it's not the ball, it's actually a box with pink on it. It's my spare battery. Oop. I'm going to have to put this one in at the moment because my battery's running out. Yay! So I'll just change that over. Okay, I've changed the battery over. Let's show him the next card.
Repeat Me, the game where I play a pattern and you repeat it. Hello and welcome to Repeat Me, the game where I play a pattern and you repeat it. Did I already say that? To start a new game, say, let's go. Or just touch my back sensor. To hear instructions on how to play Repeat Me, just say instructions or touch my head sensor.
Instructions.
Instructions. The game itself is quite simple. Each of my paw sensors makes a different sound. You can press a paw sensor any time before you play to see what sound each one makes. Each level I will play a series of sounds that you must repeat correctly to move on to the next level. Here's the catch, my little repeater. The sequence will get longer with each level. The game is over if you make a mistake or take too long to press the next correct sensor in the sequence. While playing Repeat Me, I can recognize the following commands. Let's go, to start a new game. Instructions, to hear the instructions on Repeat Me. High score, and for all you sore losers, reset high score. To return me to autonomous mode, just hold down my head sensor for 3 seconds. All right, are you ready to play my game? I am. Let's go!
Let's hear what sounds they make. Now this one, if you remember in a previous video, that paw sensor doesn't work. So, anything that's silent, we're going to have to just guess. Okay. Let's go!
Instructions. The game itself is
I never said
simple.
instructions.
Each of my paw
Cancel.
Instruction.
There we go.
Okay, good luck. Here we go. Level 1. Give it a shot. Level 2. All right, repeat me.
Right, I'm thinking... Huh.
Do, 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 do. Game over. You completed level 1. I've seen bad, but you're worse.
Gee, thanks. You cheeky little devil.
Congratulations, you have set the new high score. To play another game, say, let's go, or touch my back sensor. Okay, good luck. Here we go, level 1. All right, your turn.
Yeah, unfortunately, because he's got the faulty paw sensor, I can't play the game.
Game over. I've seen bad, but you're worse. To play another game, say, let's go, or touch my back sensor.
Because that paw sensor doesn't work. I'm going to have to see if I can fix that, actually. I'm not quite sure. There's probably a connection in it, because that was one of the legs I took apart. So, I'm not quite sure how you get out of this. Let's try. All done! No, he doesn't understand that. So I don't know how you get out of this mode. Let's try showing him a different card.
To play another game, say, let's go, or touch my back sensor.
He didn't actually say how to cancel the game. This normally cancels things.
Okay, good luck.
Nope.
Here we go, level 1.
Normally if you pick him up, it does cancel it.
Go ahead, it's your turn.
Don't do the sheep. I can't do the sheep.
Level 2. Okay, try that one.
Whoops! It's a cat. I thought the dog was that side. It's obviously the cat.
Game over. You completed level 1. I've seen bad, but you're worse. To play another game, say, "Let's go," or touch my back sensor.
I don't know how to get him out of this. Let's put the camera down a minute. I'm thinking if I pick him up... There we go.
Don't drop me, please.
Okay. Normally if you pick him up it cancels out whatever he's doing, so... Now we can show him the final game card. Which is this one. Hold on. He doesn't know he's been put back down.
There is something between my joints.
Oh, here we go. Come on. There. Right, okay. Now he knows he's been put back down. We can try the last game card. I don't think he's actually registering it. Oh no, he has. He's registered it. Let's see what happens.
This game is not set up.
And there you go, it's not set up. So, yeah, I think
This is the voice
the...
guide mode. Top menu. Please select the function. Touch the following colors on my back sensor. Touch blue for game and custom mode. Touch orange for setup mode. Touch red for recording messages and clinic mode.
Let's actually try...
To enter game mode, touch blue. To set up custom data, let's select the game. Touch blue for number 1. Touch orange for number 2. This is function demo.
Oh, so it is just a demo.
Press my
I did wonder
sensor
if it
to go
was.
back to autonomous mode.
So the first
I'm
one's a demo
going
mode and the second one is that kind of like a Simon Says game. Where you've got to follow the pattern, which I can't do. It's just a shame really because it would be really fun if it actually worked. Well, now we've had a look at all the...
Aibo card. I will explain each function.
Now we've had a look at all the cards, and these 3 as well. That concludes the videos for
I'm
the
looking for something fun.
for the Aibo cards. So I think I'll sign off here. If you want to see more videos of Boswell, you can click any of the boxes that come up below to watch some more. And this is Silver
I'm
signing
looking
off.
for something fun.
And we're going to go and find something fun now, apparently. So enjoy the rest of your weekend.